The most important thing that you can do to increase your vocabulary is read. Read a lot. What should you read? Anything and everything. But the most important thing is read what you are interested in, okay? If you like sports, read a sports magazine. If you like movies, read a movie magazine. Even better, read the script of the movie. If the movie is based on a novel, read the novel. For example, recently the movie Life of Pi was very famous in the theaters. It's based on a novel. Read the novel. It's a pretty good book. My favorite movie, Shawshank Redemption, based on a novella by Stephen King. Read it. Best way to increase your vocabulary. Also, don't just learn new words and try to remember them. Write. Write a lot. Use the words you're learning, right? Every time you learn a new word, you should have a notebook with you all the time anyway. Write the word in a sentence, but not just any sentence. Make sure that the sentence clearly shows that you know the meaning of the word. Okay, so let's, for example, I know everybody knows this word, but beautiful. Everybody knows this word, but let's say it's a new word for you. Don't write, the sky is beautiful. It doesn't tell me anything about the word beautiful. The sky is also blue. Does beautiful mean blue? No. Make sure you're using something. I love to see a beautiful sky that has pretty clouds and a sunshine and a nice color, nice shade of blue because it makes me feel happy. Not the best example. It's a very long sentence, but you get my idea. Now, again, coming back to that notebook, always have a notebook with you, always have a pen with you, and don't limit yourself to one new word. When you learn a new word, make sure you learn different forms of the same word, okay? So for example, the word beautiful. Let's say this is a new word for you. You learn the word beautiful. Put it in your adjective column. It's an adjective. That's what you want. But why not learn the other forms? For example, what is the adverb form of beautiful? I think most of you know it. It's beautifully. So you have now two new words. What is the noun form of beautiful? It's beauty. You now have three new words in your vocabulary. Is there a verb form of beautiful? Yes, as a matter of fact, there is. Beautify means to make beautiful. You now have four new words. Think of other words. Beautician. A beautician is a person who works making people more beautiful. She does facials and manicures and pedicures and wax and whatever else these beauticians do. Anyways, try to find other forms. Learn many words instead of just one word. Okay.